So a lot of you guys that watch my videos know that I showcase a lot of expensive products, and one of the biggest comments I get on those videos is, Matt, please, for the love of God, show me something a little bit more affordable. So today, I have a very special video that touches on that. I have a budget living room setup that basically offers you all the features you've ever wanted for a much lower price tag. Now this video is sponsored by Hisense, but their TVs are actually quite impressive for the price point. In fact, the H8F behind me only retails for $600. The beauty of this is that this company has been around for 50 years, and just recently, they're enabling lower end TVs in their lineup to showcase their ULED technology. This was introduced 2 years ago on their more expensive TVs. Now they're allowing consumers to purchase their cheaper ones with this powerful technology. ULED combined with high view, which is basically a chip inside of the TV, produces these algorithms to control the brightness, the contrast, enabling a better visual experience. Now, not only does it come with this type of technology, but you also have 60 zones of local dimming. Local dimming enables the TV to basically be more accurate with the brightness, the darkness, without being over exaggerated to give you a better image. Now you pair this with Google Assistant and Android TV, you basically have a central hub to access all of your favorite TV networks. Hulu, Netflix, Prime Video, you can even play games on it, will all be in one place. The remote has a built-in microphone so that you can access Google Assistant. You can do the standard stuff that you're used to doing on a Google Home, like asking it the weather, checking out your favorite sports team. Basically, anything you can do, or most of the stuff you can do on a Google Home, you can also do on this TV. Now it has tons of ports on the back. They're all 4K, 60 Hz, so it doesn't matter the type of gaming console you hook up to it, it's gonna be able to support it. Now, since we're on the topic of gaming, the next item I wanna talk about is the Xbox One S All Digital Edition. This thing is the cheapest Xbox you can buy right now. I love this thing because it's affordable, it doesn't cost a lot of money, it gives you access to all the important titles. It doesn't have a 4K HDR Blu-ray player, but you can still play 4K games comfortably on this TV. Now I know some of you out there will say just spend the extra money, 50 or 60 bucks, and get the Xbox One X because you'll get that DVD drive, but a lot of people don't have an extra $50 to $60, and sometimes this is the best they can afford. Now the TV itself does come with two 15-watt speakers, and they sound pretty good, but I don't care if the TV's $600 or $5,000, having external speakers is always better. And I found a great deal on the Polk Command Bar. This is $280. And you get a sound bar paired with a wireless subwoofer. Now the sound is pretty great. I mean, it does lose out on the high end, but the mids and bass are fantastic. And if you blast this thing, it doesn't distort at max volume. It's 2.1 surround, it supports Dolby and DTS, and it also has Alexa integration. Now what I like to do, even though the TV does support Alexa as well, I like the TV to use Google Assistant and the command bar to use Alexa, so I have the best of both worlds. And finally, the media table. And I think this is a very special one because I'm personally sick and tired of seeing IKEA products in everybody's YouTube videos. I get it, it's affordable, it's easy to buy, and it just makes a lot of sense, but there are so many alternatives that are also affordable. In fact, the table behind me, which is called the Allegra, is only $450 Canadian. If you're in the US, the exchange rate, they'll probably end up paying you money just to buy it. It is a beautiful table because it combines a classical 1960 look with a retro vibe. It makes everything on it stand out. The table's big enough so the TV doesn't look claustrophobic. You have nice spaces to place your Xbox and other knickknacks. You have a big cupboard to store items, and most importantly, a very massive drawer. So that pretty much wraps up this living room or budget living room setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links to everything will be in the description down below. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.